Hello, my dear students. Here I am, Ma'am Subarna, and I am going to teach you physics. Hope during this difficult time all of you are fine and healthy. During this time, I will try my best to help you out in your studies. However, you need to put a lot of effort in this as well. Today, I would like to revise the previous lesson. We have completed the image formation by a concave mirror and convex mirror. First, we will discuss the image formation by a concave mirror. Now, let us consider the first situation where the object is at infinity. So, object is at infinity means distance of the object from the mirror, which we already denoted it by small u, is negative. Can you remember why is it negative? Yes. Any distance measured from pole of the mirror and opposite to the incident ray is negative, and along the ray it is positive. Therefore, according to the convention, any distance which is in front of the mirror we can consider is negative and behind the mirror is positive. Now let us continue our discussion. If object is at infinity, image will be at focus. So image distance V is also negative and nature of the image is real and inverted and the size is highly diminished. Now think about the magnification M, which is h prime by h, where h prime is height or size of the image, which is negative, and h is size or height of the object, which is positive. Now magnification is negative and very less than 1. Now we will discuss the other situation. Before that, you always remember position of the object is always in front of the mirror, so it is always negative. Now consider the second situation. If the object is beyond the center of curvature, then position of the image will be between focus and center of curvature. Therefore, the distance of the image from the pole will be negative. What will be the nature of the image? Nature will be real and inverted, size will be diminished, and M will be negative and less than 1. So, for this situation also M is negative and less than 1. For first situation M was negative but very less than 1. Now let us consider the third situation. When the object is at center of curvature, the position of the image will be also at center of curvature. Means here also V is negative. What will be the nature? Nature will be real and inverted. Size will be same size as that of the object. This situation M is negative but M is minus 1. This is very special situation where M is 1 with negative sign. So please remember this situation. This idea will help us for solve the numericals. The only situation where M is minus 1. Now let us consider the fourth situation when the position of the object is between C and F. C means center of curvature and focus. Then the position of the image will be beyond C, between F and 2F or beyond C. The nature of the image will be real and inverted, but the situation where the size will be magnified. So M will be negative but M will be greater than 1. Now let us consider the fifth situation when the position of the object is at the focus. The image will be at infinity, the size will be highly magnified and the nature will be real and inverted. Therefore here M will be negative but M will be very less than 1 or M is approximately to infinity. So up to this 5 situation always M is negative. All the situation nature of the image is real and inverted. Now we will discuss the sixth situation, which is little bit different from all these situations. The sixth situation, when the position of the object is between pole and focus. Here also u is negative, but see the v, the distance of the image from the mirror, which will be positive. The only situation means image will be behind the concave mirror. The only situation where the nature of the image will be virtual and erect, the size will be magnified, and aim is positive here and greater than 1. So now I will like to compare the fourth and sixth situation. For both the situation, magnification is greater than 1. So only if the information is given to you that magnification is greater than 1, we can't take the decision. Where is the object exactly? If the sign is negative, then we can take the decision the object is between C and F. And if M is positive, we can take the decision the object is between pole and focus. So remember these two situations when both the situation magnification is greater than 1, but for one situation aim is negative and the other situation aim is positive. Also remember the third situation where the object is at center of curvature. This is the only situation where aim is -1. So always remember, for a concave mirror, as the object moves towards a concave mirror, the size of the image of the object increases and the image go away from the concave mirror. Now let us discuss the application of a concave mirror. Concave mirror can be used as a mirror headlights, searchlights and torches. It can be used in shaving and makeup mirror, in solar cookers. Also it is used by dentists and ENT specialists in hospitals. Now we will discuss the image formation by a convex mirror. For convex mirror, only two situations we will consider. Now for the first situation, let us consider the object is at infinity. Always we have to remember u is negative. Now what will be the position of the image? Image will be at the focus and behind the mirror. V is positive, but the size is highly diminished. What will be the nature of the image? It will be erect and virtual. Magnification will be positive but very less than 1. See, here magnification is positive and less than 1. Now let us consider the second situation where the object is between pole and infinity. Here the image will be between the pole and focus behind the convex mirror. The size will be diminished, nature will be erect and virtual. Here also magnification will be positive and aim will be less than 1. So for the both situations, see, magnification is positive. For concave mirror, magnification was positive only for the last, that is sixth situation, where the object was in between pole and focus. But see, for the convex mirror, magnification is always positive. Means image is always erect and virtual and it is behind the mirror. Now why we considered only the two situations? See, the maximum distant position of the object can be infinity. For that, the image is at focus. And for all other situation, image is in between pole and focus. So, for any situation, image will be between pole and focus. It will never exceed the distance more than focus. That's why if we consider only the two situations for the convex mirror, it's okay for us. Now, characteristics of image formed by a convex mirror is very important. The first point, listen carefully. Image of an object formed by a convex mirror is always virtual and diminished. And second point, full length image of an object is formed by a convex mirror irrespective of the position of the object from the convex mirror. Now, convex mirror has a very beautiful and important application in our daily life. It is used as a rear view or driver mirrors. Why? Convex mirror can form erect and diminished image of an object behind the vehicle. Since the image of the object formed is small in size, so the field of view is increased. It means the driver of a vehicle can see the traffic over the large area behind his vehicle. Convex mirror are also used in street lights, in big shopping stores, or etc. Now we will discuss some important information about mirror. Now we are getting two situations where magnification is either positive or negative. If magnification is positive, means both the object and image are upright, means H and H prime both are upright. For this situation, the image is virtual and always erect. So image is virtual and erect means the magnification will be always positive. If for any numericals magnification is positive, you can instantly take the decision the image is erect and virtual. And if the magnification is negative, the means object and image have different orientation. Means if the object is upright but the image will be inverted. And if the magnification is +1, then you can take the decision this is a plane mirror which we use daily in our life. But if the magnification is 1 but -1, -1, then it is concave mirror and the object is in between. Not in between. The object is at center of curvature. Students, I have solved one numericals for you. In that numerical, the magnification is given -1. Magnification is negative means the image formed is real. Hence we can conclude mirror is concave. So always remember whenever M is given negative, immediately we can conclude the mirror is concave mirror. And for the next question number B, find the distance of the image from the object. Here the image and the object both are at the same position, that is center of curvature. Therefore distance between them is 0. And to find out the mirror focal length, we have to use the mirror formula, that is 1 by f equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Always you have to substitute the value of v and u with its proper sign. From that formula, we calculated the focal length, which is f is equals to -25. Now I am going to give you some homework. Try to solve them. In next class, I will help you if you face any difficulties. Now for regarding today's class, if you face any difficulties, you can contact me in my WhatsApp number during the time provided for you. Thank you. Dear students, whatever we have discussed today are given in the PDF file along with the solved numerical problem and your homework. All of you please check the PDF file also.